Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I want to show you today the few green tea powders that I got from Japan the other day. So there's like two types of pure green tea, the first two, and then I got these two types of matcha milk powder and a ready packet of loose green tea leaves. So there you go. As you can see, they look very different in colors and textures and smell. I don't read Japanese, so I have no idea what I'm getting myself into, but no worries. And this one is the loose green tea. Love it. So then I'm gonna add hot water. I'm gonna mix it up, see how it goes. I'm gonna try them all later. And to be honest, I really don't know if I'm doing it the right way, but oops, okay, right, push it in. I'm gonna add hot water. I'm sure I nailed this one correctly, not that hard. Right, so as you can see, voila. Right, then I got this brush from Japan. Apparently it's to whip up this green tea powder. I'm gonna whip the next ones, and then going to the third one. I suppose I don't really need to use the brush for this one. It's kind of like a processed matcha powder with milk powder, if you get what I'm saying. So yes, as you can see, very beautiful colors. Love the green. So I tried all of them. Well, this one is like very bitter and thick. I don't know how it goes, but the second one is a bit lighter. I guess it tastes better if you add more hot water. And this one, it's less sweet compared to the next one. This one is super sweet. Like it just tastes literally like matcha milk tea or something like that. I love this one. Why? Because it's easiest to prepare, easiest to drink, and the taste is very balanced. Right, so suddenly I've got this inspiration to make matcha latte, because I always order it from Starbucks, and actually one time I saw how they do it. So you just need to have a glass of milk. So I've got almond milk here, and then whip up a little bit green tea powder, just a little bit. I use the most bitter one because I don't know how to get rid of it. Then just add it in. If you want it to be sweet, just add a little bit honey or ice if you want an iced matcha latte, and yum, it's super delicious. Right, so thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy and drink lots of green tea from now onwards. It's so healthy, so many benefits, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, all you name it. And yep, I'll see you guys again.